Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here in Shelby at the moment. I am editing a video, but yeah, the battery of this laptop is really a problem. I am really tempted to get a new. Actually, I am confused. I feel like I just want an iPad, or maybe the Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra. Editing is a hassle this time because of this battery. Anyway, at the moment I am cooking a rice, and I'm going to put egg on top of the rice. 3. Just need to wash it first, of course. Oh, the rice is almost cooked. Oh, this is actually the inside of it. Whoa, too hot. And I'll put some rice. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I just washed my face. We are now here in Woolworths here in Nelson Bay, and it is now already 9 o'clock. Yeah, I'm going to buy something to eat. I'm getting one of these jasmine rice. Yeah, 1 kg. It's $3.35. This looks good to me. I'm getting one of these. This is just $4.50. Like a pandesal to me. I'm also getting one of this. This is just $3.50. The bok choy is now $2.90. Before it was just $2.50. I'm still getting one. Also getting one of this pork crackle. This is just $1.80.
Your everyday rewards card has been added.
You know, the color of the trees in this area is becoming colorful. Yeah, if you see that side. And I am going to stay here. I'm going to edit video. I want to eat rice. Yeah. This is very tempting to eat, but yeah, I have a bok choy. Yeah, the bread will be later. I'm going to eat rice now. Because if you remember yesterday, I have this. I'm not going to wash it. I'll just put some water on it. I'll put it here. And I'm putting this bok choy here in the rice cooker. And some of these noodles, the one that is coming from Stanley and Sarah Jane. And I'm going to use it again. All of it. And the purpose of getting this pork crackle is actually to put here. And this is how it is now. Yeah, it's cooked now. Check the taste. Oh, good. Just need to reheat this rice. It is getting busy here. Cars keeps on coming. You know this soup? This is supposed to be just one cooking, just one serve. But I was able to use this in 4 or 5 different meals. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here in Albura Marina. It is now 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, and I'm having my coffee. The moon is still showing. The temperature is cold. Everyone is wearing jumper, sweater, jacket, and the garbage bin is full. Yeah, it means that there are many tourists yesterday. This beautiful, very low car. It's a Ford one. Not doing much. I am mostly just walking like this. That's my usual day these past few days. Oh, the peanut butter that I bought yesterday. Yeah, I actually can't see it here. I don't know where it is. Yeah, I have in mind that maybe I accidentally throw it in the bin. Yeah, that's what I think. I don't know. Yeah, that's why I'm eating this bread. As it is, just bread and coffee. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Pinkle Bay. This is the viewing area for the whale. Yeah, as you can see in here, there is this whale that usually show up over that side far away on their moving season. Migration season, something like that. This place is also good for rock fishing. Sometimes you're going to see people over there. They are rock fishing. Even here sometimes. And this is surrounded by bush like this. There is always people here. And there is always a magpie that is going to get your food, just like what happened a while ago. Yeah, I was approaching and they are looking at me and trying to attack my food, to get my food, my bread. They are still there. And there is a toilet here, also a barbecue place, and lots of picnic table. Yeah, this is actually the favorite of Inigo. Whenever he has a visitor, a guest, he brings them here. And when you just get out of here will be the road, and it will be residential area. Oh, amazing. Yeah, this house was not here before. Yeah, they just built it for less than 2 years. Nice. And there is also new improvements. They already put this walkway. Yeah, very nice. And this road became one way. There is a sidecar park. They even put these railings. If you remember in maybe 2019, when there is a big storm happened here, and there was a big landslide over this side. Half of this was cut. Yeah, and that's why they decided to make it one way. Yeah, the houses here become 5-star looking because of these roads. Very nice. And also, yeah, these railings made also this area more, I mean, relaxed, easy, safe to just sit down in here while enjoying this view. So good. And my goal today is actually to walk over to the other islands, and this walkway is actually all the way connected to the old walkway. Before, this is all grass, but one thing I noticed is that it is now a paid parking. Yeah, this place is now a paid parking. So it's a 4P. It means that you can park here for up to 4 hours. So that's basically where I came from, the viewing area, and then I walk the residential road, and I am now here. There is a creek, a tunnel going to that side, and look at the water. The water is clean. I'm wearing Crocs and I don't want to get wet, so I am going to jump. Successful. Another jump. Oh, jump successful again. I succeed. Time can never mend. Girls whisper all the time, good friend. The heart mind, it runs the sky. You see those residential houses over that side where we came from? And there is also another one here. This area is like actually the center. There is a restaurant, there is a playground, but over that side there is a small convenience store and restaurants also. I'm not sure, but looks like there are some people over that side near the pit. Is that a pit? This is actually going to be my very first time, yeah, to get through that side. Yeah, I always try to go to there, but when it is summer, oh, it's too hot. When it is winter, I was not here. When it's too cold, there is always a reason. But I was not aware that there is actually a walkway over that side where there is two people. Yeah, but I actually been inside of this bush. Yeah, when I was riding my bike before, if you remember, I actually fell off, yeah, from my bike when I was riding over there. It's rocky, sandy, yeah, not good place. I mean, it's an adventure to ride the bike inside there. I will do that again in the future. Oh yeah, I'm correct, they are people. Oh, it's not pit, it's actually spit. Yeah, as you can see in there, drowning rest area. People have died while crossing and swimming at Pingali speed. Crossing the sandbar is dangerous. Basically that one, sandbar, going to the other island. At the moment it is possible, but yeah, it's dangerous during the high tide. The guy is actually with his paddle board. It looks safe because it is low tide. People can actually go through to the other side at the moment, but during high tide it is very dangerous. Yeah, I've heard in the news that several people died by drowning in that area, and they are probably doing some improvements in here because there are these materials. Yeah, they are probably making another walkway. If I'm not mistaken, that is the Tumari mountain, and then there is a beach here which is Wreck Beach, and then another beach which is a Box Beach. Yeah, I've been to those two before when I was with my bike. Yeah, I always ride the bike and reaching several places inside of this bush, outside of this forest. Next time in one of my day off, we are going to go inside that island. Not this time because my duty today is 2 o'clock and I don't want to be trapped in that island. Oh, the couple, they are going to that island probably. I actually have bread with me here in my pocket. I'm going to eat it while walking back. And yeah, I have my coffee also. There is another walking trail here. I don't know where it is going. Let's see. And this is the one that I'm telling you, the speed that is dangerous. Yeah, so yeah, we are here at the moment, and yeah, I am going to explore this walking trail. If you continue on walking this coastal walk, Tumari coastal walk, you're going to reach the nude beach in Anna Bay. Yeah, the one that I went. And there is actually a viewing area here. Wow, very nice. And I hope that this way is going to the road. Yeah, I don't want to walk this way all the way to the Box Beach. I actually don't want to walk in a place like this on shores. Yeah, it's dangerous. Maybe there is snakes or something dangerous. But I'm already here. Wish I could be the one who take your heart. Someone come with me. Oh, there is a swamp down there. I know that is connected to the way of the bike. Oh, actually, I don't want to keep on going. Yeah, I just realized that it is mentioned on that way that it is going to Bucks Beach and Tomari Head. Yeah, so it means that there is no way that is going to the road. Yeah, so I'm going back. Tomari Mountain, Tomari Head is far. That guy is going fishing. He's coming from this side, and so I'm going this side. For sure there's a way going to the road. Okay, we are now here at the car park. Yeah, these are some of the restaurants here. Residential area, playground, children's playground. Yeah, and we're back here.